So, Aiden,
What
are you about to do?
Open this thing and eat it. But it's not sour. It's just something to drink. It's just, you like eat it and then you drink it. It's not sour though.
It's not sour?
No, it tells this little guy. It tells you it's sour, but it's not.
But it's not sour. And you're going to try to keep it in your mouth as long as you can.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see if you can do it. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's just see if it's good.
Ooh.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
You got it. Let me see your face. Let's see. You got it. You got it. You're good. You got to spit it out? Was it sour? Need some water? Yeah, you think you're so strong and you can do it every time. Good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Want to try it again?
No.
Oh, no.